it's common that when we're in a stress state for an extended period that our breathing gets restricted. Let's talk about this. So just think about how you feel when a stress happens, that you don't feel that you have the resources, knowledge to process. So the stress builds up in your body. Body starts to tense up. The diaphragm starts to tense up. We get tense, all of our emotional processes tend to get stored really in the torso, particularly around the diaphragm. Now, the longer that happens, then the more the fascia around the torso, particularly the diaphragm, gets like stuck together and bound up. So we can take all the supplements in the world, I say this all the time. We can do all the things. You can drink green smoothies until you're green. You can try and meditate. You can like do stress relief things. You can journal. It's all great stuff. But there's a physical thing that's restricted that drives, like moves everything. Your diaphragm is like the battery of the body. And I also see it as like a generator of electricity, kind of like if you were to, rub your hair on a balloon and then your hair stands up. And like what's being generated there is static electricity. Your diaphragm is also kind of like a balloon in the middle of your body. And so each time it moves, it's generating electricity, it's generating energy. But imagine that it was not moving so well, that it was immobilized, right? This is why our health gets impacted, and it's often not addressed that we look within the body at what's happening functionally.